Morning class. Today we will discuss about the topic International Place Value Chart. Okay. Before that we are discussing about the method of the numeration, in which we are discussing Hindu-Arabic number system, which one is known as Indian number system, and the second one is what? International Place Value Chart or International System of Numeration. You know what is the meaning of these two? Means, how can we write the numbers in the form of Hindu Arabic number system as well as in the form of international system of numeration or international system? मीन्स क्लास, यदि कोई भी नंबर हमारे पास दिया गया हो, आइदर द नंबर विल कंसिस्ट 1 डिजिट, 2 डिजिट, 3 डिजिट, 4 डिजिट, 7 डिजिट नंबर, 10 डिजिट नंबर, एक्सेट्रा. Either we have less digit number or we have the greatest digit numbers. Okay, आपको मालूम होगा कि किसी भी नंबर में 2 डिजिट भी होते हैं, 3 डिजिट भी होते हैं, ठीक है, 7 डिजिट नंबर्स भी होते हैं, 8 डिजिट नंबर्स भी होते हैं. ओके, देन हाउ कैन वी राइट? ओके, हाउ कैन वी राइट मीन्स हाउ कैन वी यूज द कॉमास? ओके, after how many digit we will use the first comma, after how many digit we will use the second comma. Okay, so commas will depend upon the period. Okay? After one period we will use the comma, after second period we will be use the comma, after third period we will use the comma. Basically, the most important thing to write down the numeration in the form of Hindu Arabic system as well as in the form of international system, how can we use the commas regarding to the period? बेटा, यहाँ जो हम कॉमास यूज़ करते हैं वो पीरियड के अकॉर्डिंग ही हम कॉमा यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट पीरियड में कितने नंबर आएंगे हिंदू अरबिक नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग और इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग, देन वी विल बी यूज़ द फर्स्ट कॉमा. सेकेंड पीरियड में कितने नंबर आएंगे हिंदू अरबिक नंबर सिस्टम या फिर इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग या फिर इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग, देन विल बी यूज द कॉमा. ओके, मीन्स द नंबर्स शुड बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कॉमास. दिस इज द राइट वे, दिस इज द राइट ऑर्डर टू रिप्रेजेंट द गिवन न्यूमरेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर सिस्टम और इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम, एज वेल एज द सेकेंड वन इज वॉट? इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर, इसके पहले जो वीडियो हमने आपको सेंड किया था उसमें हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर सिस्टम और इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में. ओके, इन विच वी विल फॉलो द ऑर्डर 3,2,2,2 मीन्स व्हाट? फर्स्ट कॉमा we will be used. First comma means after first period we will be use the first comma. In the first period, how many digits are there? Then we can say that there are 3 digits. Okay, in the second period or second comma we will be used after 2 digit. Got it? Third comma or the third period we will be used again after 2 digit. Means from right to left we will be moved from right to left. Okay, we will be moved from right to left 3,2,2,2 and so on. मतलब हिंदू अरबिक नंबर सिस्टम में और इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में जो भी नंबर हमारे पास दिया होगा, सपोज दैट सी हियर दिस नंबर इज गिवन. ओके, एंड वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट डाउन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिंदू अरबिक नंबर सिस्टम और इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम. देन हाउ कैन वी राइट? जो पहला कॉमा हमारा यूज़ होगा, ठीक है, वो फर्स्ट पीरियड के बाद ही यूज़ होगा. और फर्स्ट पीरियड में कितने डिजिट होंगे? 3 डिजिट होंगे, 1 2 3. देन हियर विल बी यूज कॉमा. Okay, means what? Here we will be use the first comma, means what? From here to here. Okay, these 3 numbers are taken in the first period. Okay, after that in the second period, after first comma you just count 2 number, 1 2, then you will be use the second comma. Okay, then you will be use the second comma, means what? In the second period how many digits are there? Okay, 2 digits are there after first period. How many digits are there in the second period? 2 digits are there in the second period after first period. Got it? Same thing is there in the third period. Okay, how many digits are there? 2 digits. Okay, we after two after second comma we are just going to count 2 digits, 1 and 2, then we will be use the third comma. Okay, same thing is there after third comma, again we will count 2 digit, 1 and 2 digit, then we will be use the fourth comma. Got it? After that no digit is there. Okay, then we will not use any commas. Okay, so regarding to this we will be use the comma. Got it? Or in the first period, ones, tens and hundred, 3 digits will come in the first period. In the second period, 1000, 10,000. Okay, these 2 digits will come in the second period. Lakh, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, these 2 digits will come in the third period. Okay, crore, 10 crore, this will come in the fourth period. After that arabs and 10 arabs, this will come in the fifth period. I think all of you understood. Okay, now in the second method of numeration, which one is known as international system of numeration. Okay, here what will be the condition? How can we use the commas? Okay, to represent the number? Then we can say that we will be use commas after 3 digit from right to left. ठीक है बेटा, इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम में हम जो नंबर्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इसमें सेम ऑर्डर के डिजिट्स होते हैं। सेम ऑर्डर के डिजिट्स का मतलब पहला कॉमा लगेगा हमारा 3 डिजिट के बाद, दूसरा कॉमा हमारा लगेगा 3 डिजिट के बाद, तीसरा कॉमा हमारा लगेगा 3 डिजिट के बाद, चौथा कॉमा फोर्थ कॉमा विल बी यूज आफ्टर काउंटिंग 3 डिजिट्स. Okay, just see here how can we use. See here, this number is given. Okay, then 1, 2 and 3 digits will complete, then will be use 1 comma. Okay, after that second comma will be used. Okay, after counting 3 digit. Okay, after the first comma, पहले कॉमा के बाद हम 3 डिजिट को फिर से काउंट करते हैं 1, 2, 3, देन विल बी यूज द सेकेंड कॉमा. फिर सेकेंड कॉमा के बाद हम 3 डिजिट को काउंट करते हैं, देन विल बी यूज द थर्ड कॉमा. गॉट इट? क्योंकि इसके आगे कोई नंबर नहीं था, देन हियर विल नॉट यूज any commas. Okay, so in the Hindu Arabic number system, what the order is there for using the comma? 3, 2, 2, 2 and so on. In the international number system, how can we use the comma? 3 after 3 digit first comma, then again count 3 digit, second comma, again count 3 digit, third comma. Okay, like this way. And what are the differences between the international system of the numeration and the Hindu Arabic number system? Okay, in the case of international number system, in the first period which is known as unit. Okay, we have 3 numbers in the form of what? In the form of ones, tens and 100. What are the location of these 3 numbers? The first number located at ones, second number located at tens, and third number will located at 100. Okay, after that we will be use first comma. Okay, same thing is there in the second period. This one is known as 1000 period. Okay, first period is known as unit period, second period is known as 1000 period, and the third period is known as million period, and the fourth one is known as billion period. Okay, in the second period, which one is known as 1000? Okay, in which 3 digits are there? The 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. This 100,000 will be used. Okay, 100,000 this will be used, ठीक है, as 1 lakh in the case of Hindu Arabic number system or Indian number system. Okay, after that 100 lakh, then crore, 10 crore, then 100 crore. Okay, so here one period can completed 1 to 100. Okay, second period will completed 1000 to 100,000. Third one, million period will completed from millions to 100 millions. Okay, so like this way we will be use the commas. Okay, once again I just tell you, in the case of Hindu Arabic number system or Indian number system, how can we use the commas? Okay, comma will be used from right to left. Right to left का मतलब बेटा like this way. Right to left means like this way. ठीक है, हम इस तरफ से काउंट करते हैं. After 3 digit we will be use the comma, then after 2 digit we will be use the comma, then after 2 digit we will be use the comma in the case of Hindu Arabic number system or Indian number system. But in the case of international number system, okay, we have the same order for using the commas. What will be the same order? In the form of the 3 digit. Okay, first 3 digit will be use 1 comma, then again 3 digit will be use the comma, then again 3 digit will be use the comma. Like this way we will write down. Okay, so I think that class all of you understood all these things. How can we write? Okay, the given numerations in the form of what? In the form of commas. Okay, just see here. The next topic is place value and the face value. Okay, place value and the face value. What is the meaning of place value and what is the meaning of face value? Okay, for any digit, what is the face value? Okay, the digit face value is the value of the given number to itself. Okay, जो भी नंबर दिया होगा उस नंबर की फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? वो नंबर ही होगा. गॉट इट? अगर आप किसी भी नंबर के लिए फेस वैल्यू निकालते हैं, ठीक है, तो किसी भी नंबर के लिए फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी? द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द प्लेस वैल्यू? प्लेस वैल्यू मीन्स व्हाट? द नंबर एंड इट्स लोकेशन और position should be multiplied, then we get the place value. Got it? Just see the example is there. Place value of, suppose we are taking the example of 8465. Okay, 8465. Okay, then 5 will stand for which position or for which location? Then you can say that, sir, 5 will stand for ones, 6 will stand for tens, 4 will stand for 100, and 8 will stand for 1000. Okay, so for this one, okay, this is what? This is 4 digit number. For this 4 digit number you may determine what? You may determine the place value as well as the face value. Okay, so firstly we will determine the place value, then after that we will determine the face value. Okay, now see, what about the place value? Okay, 5 stand for 1, then 5 should be multiplied by 1. 5 into 1, the place value of 5 is what? 5. After that 6 stands for the position of tens. Okay, then 6 should be multiplied by 10, then the place value of 6 is what? 60. Again 4 will stand, okay, at the position or at the location of 100, so the place value of 4 is equal to what? 4 into 100 is equal to what? 400. Okay, similarly we are just going to find out the place value for the digit 8. 8 will stand at the position of what? 1000. Okay, so 8 should be multiplied by 1000, then we get 8000. Okay, that is the meaning of place value. Okay, after finding the place value, how can we determine, how can we finalize the expanded form? Okay, for the given number. Okay, when you will determine the expanded form for the given number, then this one is compulsory. Firstly you will finalize the place value. Without finding the place value, okay, we will not determine the expanded form. अगर आपको expanded form निकालना है तो आपको उससे पहले place value निकालनी पड़ेगी. बिना प्लेस वैल्यू के हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म नहीं निकाल सकते हैं. गॉट इट? सो आफ्टर डिटरमाइनिंग, यहाँ पर हमने प्लेस वैल्यू निकाल लिया है. अब इसके लिए एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म कैसे होगा? फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप. यू जस्ट राइट डाउन फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप मीन्स व्हाट? 8000 प्लस, ओके, 8000 प्लस 400 प्लस 60 प्लस 5. दिस वन इज नोन एज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. ओके, दिस वन इज नोन एज द expanded form. Expanded form for what? Expanded form for 8465. Okay, how can we write the expanded form? Firstly we will determine the place value. Okay, and after that this place value will be written along with the positive sign from bottom to the top condition. Okay, 8000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 5. Okay, this is what, this is the expanded form. Okay, so how can we write the expanded form? Like this way we will write down the expanded form, but this one is compulsory. Firstly you will determine the place value, then after that you will determine the expanded form. Okay, now face value, we are just going to discuss about the face value. Face value in the given number, find out the face value for the digit 4. Okay, earlier I am saying face value, okay, is what, face value is the value, okay, of the number itself. Okay, मीन्स अगर 4 के लिए फेस वैल्यू निकालनी है तो 4 के लिए फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी, 4 ही होगी। 6 के लिए अगर फेस वैल्यू निकालनी है तो 6 के लिए फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी, 6 ही होगी। 5 की फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी, 5 ही होगी। और 8 की फेस वैल्यू क्या होगी, 8 ही होगी। द नंबर इटसेल्फ इज नोन एज द फेस वैल्यू। Okay class, I think that all of you understood regarding to this. You will finalize the face value and place value. Okay class, thank you. In the next video we will discuss the another topic. Okay.